Hi friends, welcome to I Vak India. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button to get my regular updates. So we know that the major problems of every woman is their hair fall and they want to get black and long hair. Even Ayurvedic experts believe that approximately 50% of Indian women are losing hair faster than ever. Let's be honest, the current beauty industry has destroyed hair care with generic formulations, diluted and poor quality hair oils. So, today, I Vak India has brought a recipe to solve all your problems. Yes, there is a recipe to solve all your problems by using a simple and easy home remedies using coconut oil, aloe vera, black cumin seeds, fenugreek, perennial bunchgrass, and it's also called as Vetiver. And this hair oil reduces the hair fall and which has been considered as the major problems of the woman. So, why do we use black cumin seeds in this Ayurvedic herbal hair oil? Because these black cumin seeds encourage hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. And these black cumin seeds gives an attractive and black color for the hair which may attract many people. The most important ingredient of this Ayurvedic hair oil is fenugreek. This fenugreek contains vitamin E, which is present in it, may help support a healthy scalp and hair as it has natural antioxidant effects that could assist with maintaining hair growth. The vitamins antioxidant properties could help reduce the amount of oxidative stress and forced radicals that cause the hair follicles cells in a person's scalp breakdown. So please use these ingredients mainly for preparation of this Ayurvedic hair oil. The reason for the using of coconut oil in this Ayurvedic hair oil because this coconut oil is ideal for use when you are facing excess hair fall and hair thinning etc, and it is used to condition and moisturizing your hair and stimulate growth, and moreover with a regular application it slows down your hair shedding process. Aloe vera, which is used in this recipe, plays an important role and it contains something called proteolytic enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, and mainly it reduces dandruff and conditions your hair. As you know that perennial bunchgrass is also used in this Ayurvedic herbal hair oil and it is also called as Vetiver in Tamil, and this perennial bunchgrass, its Vetiver is also it is a moisturizing herbal and used as a conditioner and gives an amazing black nature to your hair and which helps in growing as long, and it also reduces dandruff and which also promotes hair growth and prevents itching on the scalp, and it also repairs the dead skin cells on the scalp and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Friends, all of us have a doubt or a question how to grow long and thick hair naturally by using home remedies or by home treatment. So for this there is a only answer, that's Ayurvedic herbal hair oil. This oil is a magical oil for extreme hair growth and it may help in regrowing thinning areas on your scalp, and this oil truly amazing. I have been using this oil for 2 weeks and my hair loss almost gone. This is a genuine hair growth oil and works 100%. If you are suffering from hair loss for blood loss, it's that case this oil works wonderfully. So please try this Ayurvedic hair oil and you will be satisfied and you will be having a great results. And this oil acts as a natural moisturizer and reduces the dryness on the scalp and hence prevents hair fall. So please use this Ayurvedic hair oil remedy from your home and use it at least for 2 weeks. You may notice many changes in yourself and you will feel light and somewhat enthusiastic.